So today we are starting with the seventh question of the exercise. So let's read what is the question saying. Two concentric circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So the concentric circle, what are concentric circle? See one, so the smaller circle lies in the larger circle. Just like एक ये circle बड़ा circle, उसके अंदर एक छोटा सा circle है, तो इसे बोलते हैं हम concentric circles. ओके तो जब भी आपको concentric circles पूछा जाए तो you will draw the same figure. Okay, rest. Now the radius of the outer circle is 5 centimeter and the inner circle is 3 centimeter. Find the length of the larger circle. देखो यहाँ पे लार्जर सर्कल का जो कॉर्ड है, यानी ऐसा एक कॉर्ड यहां से यहां पे, ये देखो ये रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल, ये दूसरी रेडियस और ये सेम रेडियस यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की. अब मैंने ये जो ड्रॉ किया है लास्ट में, दिस सी दिस, सो दिस इज माय कॉर्ड. ओके एंड दैट कॉर्ड इज नेम्ड एज ए बी. सो find the length of the chord of larger circle. So AB is the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at P point, and let us say the center of circle is O. So two concentric circle, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर होगा, ये भी 5 होगा, और ये जो OP रेडियस ही छोटी वाली है तो ये 3 सेंटीमीटर होगी. ओके सो इफ आई राइट द गिवन थिंग्स, व्हाट आई हैव टू राइट? ओके so let us say the two concentric circles. So let the two concentric circles have a center O. सो O सेंटर पे दो कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स है. अगर इस O पे दो सेंटर है तो लेट अस से व्हाट आर द रेडियस मेजर्स. OP विल बी द स्मॉलर रेडियस एज 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड OA equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter, radius of larger circle. Now chord AB of the larger circle touches the smaller circle at point P. Okay, AB is the largest, AB is the chord for the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at point P. Okay, now find the length of chord. To find, we have to find AB. AB का मेजर ढूंढना है. सो लेट अस सॉल्व इट. सो इफ आई टेल यू व्हाट इज OP इन द फिगर, OP क्या है? OP इज अ रेडियस. व्हाट इज AB? tangent. So I'll say OP shall be perpendicular to AB. Why? Because there is a radius which is perpendicular to tangent. So I'm going to get 90-degree angle where this way. Okay, now this is a 90-degree angle, so my OAP is a right angle triangle. So let us write in right angle triangle OAP. So OAP right angle triangle में we can write by Pythagoras theorem. We have to mention OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Now what is my OA? OA segment is 5 का स्क्वायर is equal to OP कितना है? 3 का स्क्वायर, और क्या पता नहीं AP स्क्वायर. लेट अस फाइंड AP स्क्वायर. 25 माइनस 9 यानी AP का स्क्वायर 16 आता है. लेंथ ऑफ AP इज इक्वल टू 4 centimeter, यानी this much is 4. Now you have to find AP ढूंढना है या AB ढूंढना है? AB ढूंढना है, AP नहीं ढूंढना है. तो अगर AP के लिए AP 4 है तो आगे क्या बढ़ सकते हैं हम लोग? So what we can do, AP 4 centimeter, can I say I am drawing a perpendicular from the center of circle, it bisects the chord. So I can write AP shall be equal to PB is equal to half of AB. Why? Because I am drawing a perpendicular from the center of circle. So if you draw a perpendicular from the center of circle, O से मैंने perpendicular draw किया तो वो उस chord को क्या करता है? Bisect. So perpendicular drawn from the center of circle bisects the chord. Now in simple, if you know AP, AP is half AB, so AB shall be equal to 2 times AP, which will be equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so ये 4 है तो ये भी 4, so AB finally is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, simple and clear proof. So note it down now. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Okay, have you noted down? Chalo, let's move. What is the next question? 8th question. It will be a lengthy question, everyone. So concentrate on this. Just read the question till on. Please read the question very well. There is a big figure. It is drawn purposely as a big figure. Just read, understand what is the question. So you have read it? Okay. Question is very interesting. You will enjoy it. Enjoy it, please. कैसे enjoy करेंगे देखते हैं. Quadrilateral ABCD circumscribe a circle, यानी सर्कल को पूरा quadrilateral घेर के बैठा है. Okay. What are the points R or S? Please understand what is the question here. AB plus CD is equal to AD. What is AB? AB किसका टुकड़ा है? AB, if I talk about, I can write it as AP plus PB, and CD I can write it as, what is my CD? So CD is DR plus RC. For this I can write what is my AD. What is my AD? It is bifurcation of AS plus SD, और इसका जो bifurcation है वो क्या है? BQ plus QC. Okay, so this is the question. If I break, what do you have to prove? AB प्रूव करना है, यानी आपको किसी भी तरह से AP is equal to PB. Okay, what is given in the question? Circumscribe ही दिया है, इतना ही. तो क्या समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ नहीं दिया है सर, ऐसा नहीं. ध्यान दो, ये D एक टेंजेंट ड्रॉ हुआ है D पॉइंट से टू दिस सर्कल. ये जो है ये टेंजेंट DR और DS इक्वल है. ये जो इसको इक्वल है और ये इसको इक्वल है, यानी एक इंडिविजुअली सब इक्वल है. ये इसको इक्वल है. 3 लाइंस लेता हूँ इसको, दिस 2 लाइंस. okay, and this small one if I put both as star. Okay, means my figure is teaching me that dr ds को इक्वल है rc cq को इक्वल है bq bp को इक्वल है as ap को इक्वल है, यानी अच्छे से हम लिखते हैं. Okay, I'll start the solution from here. ऊपर का part is not part of answer, just an explanation. Now first thing, let's write. So we'll begin with the tangents drawn from external point. So it will be, I'll get dr equal to ds. Okay, tangents drawn from point C. कौन से पॉइंट से? डी पॉइंट से. डी आर इक्वल टू डी एस. सी से देखो पॉइंट पे, इट विल बी सी आर इक्वल टू सी क्यू. सेम लाइन, टैंजेंट ड्रॉन फ्रॉम कौन से पॉइंट से? सी पॉइंट से. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, एपी इज इक्वल टू एस. Again it is a tangent drawn from point, which point? A point, and I'll say PB equal to BQ, and it is again a tangent drawn from कौन से point से? B point से. So what I found in the question is dr equal to ds. I have written, see the flow is like this, dr इक्वल टू ds, फिर मैंने cr इक्वल टू cq, फिर नीचे आया ap इज इक्वल टू as and then bp is equal to bq. Now I'll say this is my equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Okay, so now this is the whole presentation. Okay, now I am adding equation number 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 2, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 4 सारे ऐड कर लेते हैं. यानी हम एडिंग टी आर प्लस सी आर प्लस ए पी प्लस पी बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी एस प्लस सी क्यू प्लस ए एस प्लस बी क्यू. अब पैरिंग देखना अच्छे से, डी आर प्लस सी आर, dr plus cr, it will form cd. So this, in place of this I have to write cd. ap plus pb, ap plus pb क्या बनता है? ab. Now I'll rearrange this, ds plus as बाजू में लिखते हैं और cq plus bq here. Okay, CD प्लस ए बी मिल चुका है, सीयर ए बी प्लस सी डी मिल चुका है. अब दिस साइड डी एस प्लस ए एस, डी एस प्लस ए एस क्या फॉर्म हो गया? ए डी. एंड सी क्यू प्लस बी क्यू, सी क्यू प्लस बी क्यू क्या हो गया? इट विल बी बी सी. ओके, सो फाइनली व्हाट इज वी हैव गॉट? ए बी प्लस सी डी इज इक्वल टू ए डी प्लस बी सी, हेंस प्रूव्ड. Okay, key points I'll tell you. What silly mistakes students do, they don't get this statement. ऐसे ही करते बच्चे, सिर्फ अरेंजमेंट गलत लिखते. अरेंजमेंट गलत लिखना यानी क्या होता है? द फ्लो ऑफ राइटिंग इज वेरी टेक्निकल इन दिस क्वेश्चन. राइट दिस dr इक्वल टू ds. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट प्रॉपरली, दिस dr इज इक्वल टू ds. देन अब इसके पास उसके बाद दिस cr इक्वल टू cq लिखोगे आप. पहले dr इज इक्वल टू, मतलब ये दोनों जोड़ी विल फॉर्म योर सी डी. यस, ये सी डी बना देगा. दिस पार्ट इज डन. नेक्स्ट थिंग यू विल राइट ए पी इक्वल टू ए एस एंड बी पी इक्वल टू बी क्यू. ये लिखोगे आप. क्या लिखोगे? ए पी इक्वल टू ए एस एंड बी पी इक्वल टू बी क्यू. सी ए पी इज इक्वल टू ए एस एंड means first this equal to this, second this is equal to this, third this is equal to this, and then this is equal to this. No changes in arrangement, only don't shuffle this also, you will not get the proof. The process will be, again I'll write with the green pen. What you will do, ये वन जोड़ी, ये सेकेंड जोड़ी, थर्ड पेयर and the fourth pair. The pairing should be such way: dr equal to ds statement number 1, then cr is equal to cq statement number 2, ap is equal to as statement number 3, and bp is equal to bq statement number 4, and then add 1 2 3 4, your answer will be proved. So this flow should be the same way. Okay, so now note it down, इतना ही आंसर है, बट इसका प्रोसेस अच्छे से याद रखना. ट्रिक इज this plus this 1 2 3 4 and then adding 1 2 3 4. So note it down. Okay, see my lines. Okay, so next ninth question, very important. मार्क एज एलडीआर, ये भी एलडीआर ही लेना बिकॉज ये बहुत बार एग्जाम में आ चुका है, बहुत बार दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, 8th क्वेश्चन एलडीआर पे ले लिया. 9th वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ट्रिकी एंड टफ टू अंडरस्टैंड. दैट इज अ स्मॉल एंड सिंपल ट्रिक. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, दैट्स ऑल, द क्वेश्चन इज डन. सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्मॉल ट्रिक. मैं यहाँ पे ना एक ऐसा सा ये फॉर्म करता हूँ, ओसी को ज्वाइन करता हूँ इस फिगर में. ओके, मैं ओसी को ज्वाइन करता हूं. क्वेश्चन, रीड इट आउट वंस, प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन and then you will be able to understand it. Shall I read it? Okay. X, y and x dash y dash. This is one tangent, this is one tangent. They both are parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent at AB. So again, at C point of contact, there is AB, a tangent with point of contact C intersecting XY. It is intersecting XY and x dash y at point B and. So यहाँ पे इस tangent को B point पे intersect किया, यहाँ पे A point पे. Prove that AOB is 90. Where is AOB? AOB. You have to prove this is 90. Okay. So catch your eyesight. What you have to prove? यहाँ पे 90 form करना है. Okay. For the time I'll rough it back. आपको AOB 90 प्रूफ करना है. डिड यू सी इन द फिगर? वेरी वेल. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन कुड बी क्रैक्ड फ्रॉम द फिगर इटसेल्फ. ध्यान से देना, एकदम अच्छा ध्यान दो. नाउ टेल मी, OP is a radius and XY is a tangent. Can I say this is a 90 degree angle? Again, OQ यहाँ पे एक tangent है 90 degree. Right? Later on, this segment will be equal to this segment. OP and OQ both will be congruent. Why OP is congruent to OQ? Because they are radius of the circle. So my OP and OQ are equal. Fine. So we have got, what stuff we have got? So I'll just go with a rough writing, then I'll write it in fair way. Please pay attention what I'm going to go with the flow. OP, AOP triangle, look it up. AOP and triangle AOC. A task, what is our task? To prove them congruent. OAP and OAC. So I could see OP equal to OC as the radius of circle. Let's write it in the fair way, one by one, it's better. So let us write one construction. So join segment OC. Okay, let us start with the solution. So solution में हमें OC join करना है. Let's begin with our triangle OAP and triangle OAC. With the highlighter I will show you the triangles. This is triangle OPA and OAC. Okay, ये दो triangles, this one and this one, this are supposed to be proved congruent. So please start with your brains, utilize your brains and just tell me how to prove it. So first step, I would say OP congruent to OC, radius of circle. Second thing, OA is equal to OA. a common side for both the triangles. What is the next? One more thing I could say, AP is equal to AC, yes or no? Tangents from exterior point. A पॉइंट से मुझे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर दिया, तो ये इसको इक्वल है, ओके। सो नाउ माय ट्रायंगल OAP किसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट हुआ? ट्रायंगल OAC. Now these two triangles are congruent. So which angles will be? I'll say. So see now. My angle AOP will be equal to angle AOC. Corresponding pairs of congruent triangles. Look out. I'll write it name as X और ये भी X है. This is what I proved. AOP triangle and AOC are proved as a congruent triangles. Therefore, this angle will be congruent to this. Right now, I am just mentioning in the figure as both the angles are X. Same concept, let's do with one more triangle. In triangle, let's come to this triangle QOB and triangle COB. Concept will be the same. Let's begin it. OQ and OC, radius of circle. Next, OB common side. Exactly the same figure, ऐसे ही चीजें यहाँ पे भी होगी, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर कॉमन साइड. उसके बाद हमारे पास एक और चीज है. व्हाट इज दैट थर्ड थिंग? वी विल से BQ and BC will be equal. Tangents from point B. Equal tangents from point B. So my triangle QOB is congruent to triangle COB. So again I can make my angles equal. Which one? QOB is equal to angle BOC. See this, I am mentioning it out. This both angles are equal and I have mentioned that as biangles. Okay. Last step. Can I write x plus y plus y? Students, अगर x plus x plus y, this is a straight line, so this angle addition will be 180. So it comes 2x plus 2y shall be equal to 180. My x plus y shall be equal to 90 degree, dividing the equation by. What is my x plus y? X plus y angle means BOA, or you can say AOB. Can I say x plus y is AOB? Yes, I can say it. Okay. So this whole explanation will write it in the names of angles. I have written in the names of x and y. Now we have to only convert this whole statement in the form of angles. So let's write it on the fair screen. Next screen पे आ जाते हैं, वहीं पे लिख लेते हैं. Okay. So what are the two things we have got? AOP equal to AOC and QOB is equal to BOC. So we will write OP is a, so on straight line PQ is a straight line. So there will be a linear pair angle. Let's say angle AOP plus AOC. Okay. उसके बाद this two angles AOP and AOC. Then it will be BOC and BOQ. All these four angles will form 180. As you know, which two angles are equal? I know AOP and AOC are equal. So I'll write them as AOC. I'll write this as same angles, AOC plus AOC. Okay. BOC and BOQ are equal. So my BOC and BOQ are equal. Both I'll write as BOC. 180 degree. You will write a reason from equation number 1 and 2. Which are that 1 and 2? This is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now it will be 2 times angle AOC plus 2 times angle BOC, which will form 180 degree. Can you say AOC plus angle BOC forms 180? अब सोचो AOC और BOC, go in the figure. AOC plus BOC will be AOB, right or wrong? Yes, AOB बनेगा. AOB and that will be 90 degree. Fair mistake, let's recorrect. ये 90 होगा. Write a step over here dividing the equation by 2. So AOC and BOC sum up to 90. So we can write for AOC and BOC as angle AOB. Fine. So finally we have proved that angle AOB is a 90 degree angle. Okay. Let's revise it. कर दे रिवाइज एक बार. फ्लो क्या था? Considering triangle AOP and AOC. Okay. This triangle and this triangle. Very simple. OP equal to OC, radius of circle, OA is equal to OA, common side, AP is equal to AC, tangent of the circle. So this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Statement proved here. Then CPCT say you will say X is equal to X, means AOP is equal to AOC. Similarly, these two triangles are also congruent with the same concept, QOB and COD. So QOB and COB are congruent. So again, this y and y are equal. Then what we have used the concept x plus y plus y is equal to 180. Instead of x and y, what I have done on the next page, I have given a proper names to that angles. This is a short way to understand it, but the perfect way is to write it. Okay, in exam you should only x की जगह पे नाम क्या लिखना है. So you will write it AOP, AOC. Y की जगह what you will write? BOC and BOQ. That's all. The same things you will carry on and you will get angle AOB as 90 degree. So please note it down. If you have doubts, ask me. Let them see. Okay, done noting now. Let's move to the next part. Okay. Today we won't be doing 10th, we will move to the 11th question. Okay. 11th question we are going to do, 10th we will do later on. The proof that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. यानी एक सर्कल को कौन उसके बाउंड्री पे कौन है? एक पैरेललोग्राम है. तो ये एक सर्कल इसके अंदर है और इस सर्कल में हमें रोम्बस प्रूफ करना है. यानी the parallelogram which is circumscribing the circle is a rhombus. यानी A, B, C and D. Okay. ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन में बोलता है. इसे बोलता हूँ P, इसे बोलता हूँ Q, इसे बोलता हूँ R, इसे बोलता हूँ S. ठीक है. Now, so this points of contact. Question has given me the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the question saying? ABCD is a parallelogram. So let us write ABCD एक पैरेललोग्राम है. Next thing, there is 4 points on the circle P, Q, R, S, and these 4 points on the circle are the point of contact to the respective tangents. So what we can conclude in the first statement? First thing, let us write that the parallelogram के जो opposite sides है AB equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Noting as statement number 1 and statement number 2 completed. अगली बात, in this figure can you say, let us highlight what are the things equal. So this tangent equal to this tangent equal to this tangent equal to this, and this tangent equal to this tangent. Let us note it down. I had said this was my 1, this was my 2, this was my 3 and this was my 4, the same flow. Let us write. What we will write? AP tangent is equal to AS tangent. Similarly, we will write BP tangent is equal to BQ tangent. Next thing we are going to write DR tangent is equal to DS tangent and CR tangent is equal to CQ tangent. For everything you will write equal tangents drawn from point. So, this is drawn from point A. Same statement, this will be from point B, this will be from point D and this will be from point C. Okay, you will write the same reasons for again and again. So, statement number, this is my statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3 and sorry, we will write it 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 we have already named, let us name it as statement number 3, statement number 4, statement number 5 and statement number 6. So, let us add this equation adding 3, 4, 5, 6. Third, fourth, fifth and the sixth question. So 3, 4, 5, 6 add करना यानी AP plus BP plus DR plus CR. What will happen on this? AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. You all know this effect. AP plus PB, AP plus PB, AB. DR plus CR. What is DR plus CR? You will write DC. AS plus DS, my AS plus DS AD and my BQ plus CQ, BQ plus CQ BC. Okay. Now AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. Can I say, आपको पता है बच्चों, pay attention here, you have to prove this is a rhombus. So for proving rhombus, let us say, now in this figure AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC and EB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. Okay. Now, so this means if I write AB and for my CD, can I write this is my CD, उसकी जगह पे AB लिख सकता हूँ. Again here I could write AD plus AD from 1 and 2. Means my AB twice AB shall be equal to twice AD. Okay, so AB is equal to AD. Okay, statement number 7. Now what has happened? AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to AD. Means opposite sides are equal as well as the adjacent sides are equal. Henceforth from statement number 1, 2 and 7. From 1, statement number 2 and the 7th statement. This all things only deprive one thing, that is what? AB, BC, CD and AD as equal. So what we will say finally? AB is equal to CD is equal to AD. So I will just write this part here due to the lack of space. AB equal to BC is equal to CD. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides equal. अगर सारे sides equal है तो we can say therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Yes or no? So this is what the proof of how a parallelogram has become a rhombus. One revision back again. AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, DR is equal to DS and CR is equal to CQ. Adding this 3, 4, 5, 6, what you get? AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. For my DC, Can I write AB? Yes, I can write. Okay, similarly for my BC, I can write AD as these are opposite sides of parallelogram. So AB plus AB is equal to AD plus AD. 2 times AB is equal to AD. AB congruent to AD. This AB is congruent to AD. Means what has happened? Parallelogram क्या बोलता है? AB और BC इक्वल है, सॉरी AB एंड CD इक्वल है, और यहाँ पे प्रूफ क्या हुआ है? AB एंड ADI equal means this congruent to this and this congruent to this and this is congruent to this, means 1 2 3 4 all the four segments, all the four sides of the given quadrilateral has become congruent from statement number 1, statement number 2 and statement number 7. Henceforth the quadrilateral with, so if the parallelogram has all sides equal, then it is said to be a rhombus. So please note it down. So in the previous question, the 8th question, we had done the same steps, only the step has ended till here. तो यहाँ पे खत्म किया था हमने. अभी ये वाले पार्ट में क्या किया? We have added the extra step proving the adjacent sides equal. That is what is added in the question. So note it down. If your doubts, queries, ask me.